Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a comprehensive, no-nonsense review of Folk CRM, the highly aesthetic, lightweight platform that is actively rescuing small teams, founders, and freelancers from the bloated complexity of legacy tools like HubSpot and Salesforce. If your current system for tracking clients, investors, or partnerships is a fragile combination of messy spreadsheets, Notion pages, and desperate inbox searches, Folk positions itself as the ultimate middle ground, combining the familiar ease of an Airtable spreadsheet with the dedicated power of a modern relational database. The absolute crowning jewel of this system is the FolkX browser extension, which allows you to completely eliminate manual data entry by pulling comprehensive contact profiles directly from LinkedIn, Twitter, or Gmail into your active workspace with a single click. Once imported, Folk handles the heavy lifting in the background by instantly deduplicating records and deploying its contact enrichment engine to automatically hunt down missing professional email addresses, job titles, and company domains. The platform also introduces highly unique AI-powered magic fields, which allow you to write natural language prompts that automatically analyze your communication logs to extract specific data insights or summarize relationship histories on autopilot. For outreach, you get a clean, built-in mail merge pipeline that lets you send personalized, small-scale email campaigns and track live open rates right alongside your custom drag-and-drop Kanban pipelines. However, deploying this software across your operation exposes a few prominent roadblocks you need to factor in before pulling out your credit card. While the initial standard tier feels remarkably budget-friendly at $24 a month, essential features like automated multi-step email sequences, advanced analytics dashboards, and multi-user permission controls are entirely locked behind their $48 premium tier, which can cause costs to scale up aggressively for growing teams. Furthermore, the reporting suites remain incredibly bare bones, lacking advanced revenue forecasting or detailed team attribution tracking, and mobile-first teams will be highly frustrated by the total absence of a native iOS or Android app. Ultimately, Folk CRM is an exceptionally clean, lightning-fast workspace that gets out of your way and takes less than 20 minutes to fully set up, making it the perfect choice for relationship-driven creators and small agencies, provided you do not require massive enterprise automation or deep back-end reporting. Subscribe the channel for more videos.